straight into it as well.
I'll need to find a place to kind of pull off.
There should be plenty of parking in an airport.
Remember when we kind of just arbitrarily parked at that one?
Picking up Missy Mel?
Missy Mel, yeah.
Which is that? Is that a Dodge Stealth?
Yeah, or Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4.
Well, I said Dodge Stealth for a reason.
It was a Dodge Stealth?
Yeah, I saw a Stealth.
Okay. Save that. Rental car return. Now, did I push the right button to save that?
Yes.
Okay.
You heard that beep.
Yeah.
Saved it. Typical woman driver.
Terminal.
Probably not paying attention to the road.
That was like, I thought she was going to go around. Like, it looked like she was going around.
No, I don't think she was paying attention at all.
Cell phone lot. Where is cell phone lot? That's what I want. I want cell phone lot. That's where, like, you just go and you sit.
Yeah, parking, no trucks. Isn't this allowed? Or no trucks, buses allowed?
Cell phone lot.
PSA.
So cell phone lot's probably where you just park for free.
Yeah, long term parking is something else.
Right. That was great.
Yeah, the guy started moving. She just kept going and kept going and just smack. She wasn't really going that fast though.
Well, there's every bit of $4,000 damage to her car and his car.
I'd say her, I think her light fell off and his bumper is dented. No,
Could even be $5,000 worth of damage.
I actually saw the dent.